Hey, what's up everybody? Again, it's me, Tech Joff. So today's video guys, I'm gonna show to you the full review of this new Vivo X50 5G. So first, of course, we will gonna talk about the design, the camera, the price of this smartphone, and of course the performance. So I will gonna run the Antutu benchmark as well of this smartphone. So better guys, stay tuned. And if you are new here in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications and for more tech reviews. So guys, without further ado, let's jump into the video.
Double cup, big straight holy nuts. Out of my friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth in his Maui.
So guys, let's start with the design of this new Vivo X50 5G. My first impression to this smartphone, this is so lightweight. It is 173 grams only and it feels very slim as well. So if you're holding this phone for sure, that's the first thing you will gonna notice. But this phone used aluminum frame at the side, glass from the front and at the back as well, but Vivo didn't mention if that is Gorilla Glass. I like the design at the back, especially the color gradients, cause it's matte finish and it's not fingerprint magnet. It really looks like similar design to the Huawei P40 Pro with silver frost design. For the color option, it has three different color gradients, which is the black, pink, and the blue. The Vivo X50 5G has 6.56-inch AMOLED capacitive touchscreen with 87% screen-to-body ratio. With Full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2376 and 398 pixel per inch density. The screen of this phone guys is super awesome, so bright. As you can see, the color is balanced and accurate with good color saturation thanks to the AMOLED display. And take note guys, this phone has 90Hz refresh rate, so you can really enjoy your smooth browsing experience and overall screen interaction, watching your favorite movies and playing your favorite online games as well with the high graphics. And in terms for security features, Vivo X50 5G has in-display fingerprint. So from my experience, this is not fast as compared to the other flagship phone, but I like the animation that they implement to this smartphone. At the right side, here are the power button and the volume control. And at the bottom, the speaker grills, USB Type-C, one microphone, and a SIM card tray. This phone is support dual SIM card, and unfortunately, this phone has no SD card slot for memory card expansion since it is only 128GB. I'm a bit disappointed on this because some of the phone with this price range, it has already double the memory capacity and with expandable storage as well. So anyway, let's move on. At the left side, nothing is here, and at the top, there is another one microphone, the speaker grills, and there is no headphone jack, so you will gonna use the Type-C adapter provided in the box if you want to use your wired headset. The Vivo X50 5G has no water resistant rating, and there is no wireless charging as well. So now guys, let's talk about the full specification and performance of this new Vivo X50 5G. In terms of specification, this phone is Android 10 out of the box and with their own user interface, which is FunTouch 10.5. This phone is equipped with the new system on chip of Qualcomm, which is the Snapdragon SDG765 7nm with a clock speed of octa-core 2.4 GHz. This is the new mid-range ARM-based system on chip of Qualcomm designed for the mid-range smartphone with integrated 5G modem they called Snapdragon X52 that support speed up to 3.7 over 1.6 Mbps, combined with the Adreno 620 GPU for a better gaming experience. It has also 8GB of RAM and 128GB internal storage and a massive lithium polymer battery of 4200 mAh capacity that supports fast charge 33 watts that can charge your phone from 0 to 57% in just 30 minutes only as advertised. So with this specification, chipset, and GPU, let's check now the Antutu benchmark and let's see how many score it can give for single core and multi-core performance for this new Vivo X50 5G. So based on the Antutu benchmark, this is the overall score, which is 327,118. I am so amazed with the result, since this is only a mid-range chipset, still it gives a high overall score. As we all know that high score will give you better performance. So just give you a quick comparison, this is the Antutu benchmark score of Huawei Nova 7 5G, which is 387,384 overall score. So of course, Nova 7 5G is the winner here. I am so impressed with Nova 7 5G because it used flagship chipset the Kirin 985 5G with 8-core GPU, Mali G77, and the price is cheaper than the Vivo X50 5G. With this Antutu benchmark score, now let's try to play the favorite on-time online games, the PUBG Mobile, and let's see if this phone can really handle this game smoothly without lags or latency, and let's check the graphics as well. So now let's jump to the full camera specification of this new Vivo X50 5G. So in terms of camera specification, this phone is equipped with Quad AI rear camera, 48 megapixel f1.6 aperture for the main lens, with face detection autofocus, and can shoot 4K videos up to 30 frames per second. And with optical image stabilization for better video quality experience, 8 megapixel f2.2 aperture for ultrawide lens, 13 megapixel f2.5 aperture for portrait lens with 2 times optical zoom, and 5 megapixel f2.5 aperture for macro lens. And in the front camera, it has 32 megapixel f2.5 aperture that can also record full HD videos only at 30 frames per second. And here are my sample videos and photos. So guys, that is my full review of this new Vivo X50 5G. So what is your opinion guys? Just comment down below. So if you are new here in my channel, of course, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications and for more tech reviews. Alright guys, again, thanks for watching and we'll catch you tomorrow. Peace!